Welcome to OrderEm tutorial. Today we will learn how to set up DeliverEm app on your mobile. Please log in to the DeliverEm app using your driver login details. Once logged in, please go to the My Account page. Next, go to the My Delivery Areas page to add a delivery area. In the My Delivery Areas page, click on the Add Delivery Areas button. This action will automatically display all your business delivery areas. After selecting the desired delivery area, click on the Save button to add the delivery area successfully. Next, click on the check-in page to start the driver. Click the toggle button, and this action will automatically open a My Check-in Details pop-up. In the Check-in Details pop-up page, update the time and choose the delivery area checkbox. Once done, click the Save button. There are 3 types of order assignment processes available. 1. Business owners can assign orders to drivers directly using the OrderEm app. 2. Drivers can assign orders themselves through notifications without involving the business owner. 3. Drivers can assign orders themselves through the Receive Orders page without involving the business owner. Now, let's understand the order page. If you follow the above process, you will start receiving orders in the DeliverEm app. Once orders are received, simply open any one of them to assign it to yourself. You will see the current date and month are being displayed at the top, right below your order ID. Then you will also notice the order placed time and delivery time being shown here. Here indicates whether the order is paid or cash on delivery. When you click on the restaurant location symbol, you can view the route map from your current location to the restaurant. When you click on the restaurant's call symbol, you will see the mobile number for the restaurant, which will enable you to make a call directly. Similarly, when you click on the customer location symbol, you can access the route map from your current location to the customer's location. And lastly, when you click on the customer call symbol, you can view the customer's mobile number, which allows you to make a direct call. When you click on the customer location symbol, you can access the route map from your current location to the customer's location. Now moving to the order assign process. When you click the Assign to Me button, the app will display a pop-up asking, "When will you pick up the order?" This allows you to select a time. By default, the order preparation time is displayed. After assigning the order, clicking the Confirmed button notifies the customers. They can track the order via text message. When you click the Confirm button, the app will prompt a pop-up asking, "When will you deliver the order?" This allows you to select a time, and then select the correct delivery time. You can upload any order receipt or bill print by clicking the Add Receipt button. If you've picked up the order directly from the restaurant, click the Order Picked Up button. If the order is cash on delivery, you can click the Collect Money button. Clicking the Cash on Delivery button also marks the order as completed. If you want to add a note, click here to add. If you want to take a customer signature, click here, and the signature page automatically opens to take. To complete the order directly, click the Delivery Completed button. Here, you can view order details such as items, delivery time, customer address, restaurant address, and order instructions. Here, you can view the customer's signature and the uploaded receipt. This DeliverEm app works only on delivery orders. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any queries, feel free to get in touch.